Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Part 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Wherever there were manifestations of Buddhas, they all went there magically. Wherever the Buddhas dwelt, they always diligently guarded and protected the place. There were also multiple body spirits, numerous as atoms in a Buddha world, known as flower top-knot adornment, light illumining all directions, oceanic sound conquering, pure flower-adorned top-knot, infinite dignified postures. A ray of supreme light, fragrant clouds of pure light, guardian sustainer, ubiquitous shepherd, immutable light. These were the leaders. There were as many as there are atoms in a Buddha world. They had all in the past fulfilled great vows and had provided for and served all the Buddhas. Also there were footstep-following spirits, numerous as atoms in a Buddha world. Their leaders were known as precious symbol, lotus light, top knot of pure flowers, embodying all beautiful visions, exquisite gem star banner, joyfully uttering sublime sounds, sandalwood tree light, lotus luminosity, subtle light, collection of fine flowers, and so on. Over innumerable past ages, they had all associated with Buddhas, always following them. There were also sanctuary spirits, as numerous as atoms in a Buddha world. Their leaders were known as Banner of Pure Adornments, Polar Mountain Jewel Light, Sign of the Thunder Banner, Wonderful Eyes Raining Flowers, Garland Light Top Knot, Raining Jewel Arrays, Courageous Fragrant Eye, Diamond-Colored Cloud, Lotus Light, Radiance of Ineffable Light, and so on. All of them had in the past met innumerable Buddhas, perfected their willpower, and brought forth extensive offerings. There were also city spirits, as numerous as atoms in a Buddha world. Their leaders were known as Jewel Peak Radiance, Beautifully Adorned Palace, Jewel of Pure Joy, Sorrowless Purity, Flower Lamp Flame Eyes, Flame Banner Clearly Showing, Light of Virtue, Pure Light, Fragrant Top Knot Adornment, Beautiful Jewel Light, and so on. All of them had, over innumerable inconceivable eons, adorned the mansions in which the Buddhas stayed. There were also earth spirits, as numerous as atomic particles in a Buddha world. Their leaders were known as Pure Flower of Universal Virtue.